All right, let's set up your webhooks using Zapier here. So notifications, and then you can go and set up new contacts in here too for emails and stuff like that. And then as far as webhooks, so you can pop in, create a new webhook right here, and then the post URL. So if you're using Zapier, you want to come over here to Zaps and select webhook, and then you will select catch a hook, continue, and then just copy this URL right here. And you can come back over to the URL, press paste in there, press create, save changes, and then you can generate a sample of enhanced residential, submit. So now all of this stuff is coming through here for you, and press run test. And now come over to Zapier and you have all that information. Then you just go continue with selected record. If you are using monday.com, you can type in monday.com and send it to wherever you want. If you're using Go High Level, you could do lead connector, which is right there. Breeze Simply, I believe, has one as well. Yep. So those are all the options for how to connect your webhook.